Hello! Hillary and I are here to tell you about Module 8. So I have a bunch of pre-lecture videos for you, and they are pretty useful for reminding yourself what you know already, and that'll set up our topic of this week, which is proteins as biotech products, which is really the main point of this whole class. So it's good to review what you already know, so do take some time and look at those pre-lecture videos, even though they're not required, and that should make this lecture a little bit more understandable. And right, so we know what about cells, we know how they make proteins from the last couple weeks, and now we're seeing how proteins can be used to make biotech products. And of course, since we know now that DNA controls the amino acid order which makes the proteins, that means if you can control the DNA, you can control the protein. So genetic engineering is now protein engineering. And that's our topic of the next couple weeks. The lecture this week covers quiz 8, and then the lecture continues, and the end of this week's lecture is part of next week's quiz, quiz 9. There are also lecture next week, but it's shorter. Because why? We have a midterm. So the dates are posted on the pre-lecture. Mark your calendar. So look at the pre-lecture guide right away. Mark your calendar. Other things due. We're at midterms, right? Your reports are due this week. I hope you've already been working on them. 3 pages is a substantial report, but it's not overwhelming. I mean, you are in college. So be aware not to plagiarize. And the rule is you can only include 20% or less quoted text. So of your 3 pages, you can't have more than 20% of other people's words, which of course you cite correctly. And if you're going to stick someone else's words in there, you better discuss why. All right, this is a real paper. I'm going to host 2 live meetings this week, Tuesday from 2:30 to 3:30 and Thursday from 4:30 to 5:30. I don't have a room booked, so you'll have to just do it online. But you can use the labs in the library or wherever else on campus. I just won't be there helping. But if you bring some earphones, you can use any computer on campus. And we're going to look at things from Module 5 during the live meeting. So if you decide to participate, bring your notes from Module 5. I think that's it. Oh, right. And of course, if you have quiz concerns, other concerns, write to me. That's what I'm here for, and I can answer your questions. Have a great week, and I'll see you all next week for sure.